How to show seconds in taskbar on Windows. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn a handy trick for Windows laptops and PCs, how to show seconds in the taskbar. Let's dive in. Right-click on an empty space on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, hover over Taskbar Settings and give it a click. A new window will open up with all your taskbar customization options. Scroll down until you find Taskbar Behavior. Click on it. Scroll down and find Show Seconds in System Tray Clock. Check this box. And just like that, you've enabled seconds in your taskbar. Now, you can keep track of every second right from your desktop. Wasn't that easy? Now you can stay on top of your time management game like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.